bite valve. I just found a bite valve. Maybe I'll use this. I'm missing mine. What's going on, guys? HK Strongside here. Thanks for joining me in this special video. I can't believe we did it. 600 subscribers. That's amazing to me. I stopped right here because I promised you that I would tell you what the coolest part of buying a new motorcycle is. And you're looking around and you're probably thinking, well, it's riding up super technical stuff and buying cool gear, riding with your friends and family. No, it's none of that. Come here, let me show you something. Now, before I show you what the coolest part about buying a new motorcycle is, I'm just gonna give you a fair warning. Some of you are gonna be triggered big time. Some of you are gonna be let down. Some of you are gonna really love this. All right, come here. Okay, so look right here. I'll show you the odometer, 169 miles. But that's not the best part. That's not the best part. Let me show you. See this? Get in close. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me right now? Look at this. Yes. That is the best part of buying a brand new motorcycle. Thanks for sticking with me, you guys. 600 subscribers. I hope to take this a lot higher than that, and I'll do other dumb videos like this. This is HK Strongside. Thanks for dropping by. Take it easy. Crap, now my bike's used. Where's my stuff?